Hello and welcome to 125 Oak Cove Drive here in Northeast Columbia, located in Lake Carolina. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home, 2-car garage, fully fenced in, spacious backyard, and a screened in back porch. Let's go take a look in the backyard. All right, we are now in the backyard. Here is the screened in back porch, which we'll take a look at in one moment. Right here you have your walkway that leads up to the screen porch. And here is the backyard. You also have the Lake Carolina apartments right there as well. And here you have the back of the home. And let's go ahead and take a look inside the screened in porch. All right, here you have the screened in back porch. You have your ceiling fan and light right there. It is controlled by a remote. And then you have your air conditioning unit right there as well. And it is cemented. And there's the remote that I mentioned just a few moments ago. All right, let's go take a look inside the home. All right, we are now inside. As soon as you come into the home, you have your dining room, your formal dining room right here to the left. You have your hallway that leads into the living room, which we'll take a look at in one moment. And that door actually to the left, you have the half bathroom. All right, you have your chandelier right here. And also your alarm system right there on the wall. And you have your windows that look out into the front yard of the neighborhood. Right behind us right here, you have the kitchen. You have your tile flooring right here. Also, your white appliances. You have your smooth top stove, built-in microwave and dishwasher and refrigerator right here. And it kind of loops around to have you have your eat-in portion of the kitchen right here. And your cabinet space. And also your pantry on this side. We're going to make our way through here and look at the living room. You have your ceiling fan right here. And also your brick fireplace. And this is the door to the covered front porch, which we viewed moments ago. Also, this ceiling fan is controlled by that remote right there as well. And here you have your garage. All right, right across from the garage, you have the half bathroom. You have your single vanity sink right there, also with the gold accent on the cabinets and door. And then you have your toilet right there. And we're going to make our way through the living room, and we're going to take a look at the bedrooms upstairs, and also the washer and dryer is located upstairs as well. All right, we are now upstairs. This door to the right is the master bedroom. You have your double door entrance right there, and also this is an additional bedroom. Very spacious bedroom, could actually use for like a secondary living room or a room that you can entertain guests in. But here to the left, you have your washer and dryer connections. And also you have your shelving right here. To the left of the laundry room, you have bedroom number 1. You have your light right there, also your closet, and it is carpeted throughout the upstairs. You also have your window that looks out into the side, actually the front yard of the neighborhood. And this door right here leads to the bathroom. We'll take a look at that in just one moment. Bedroom right beside bedroom number 1 is bedroom number 2. Same style as bedroom number 1. Also, you have your light fixture right here, and that looks out into the side of the neighborhood. But here you have another entrance to the bathroom, what you call your Jack and Jill bathroom. If you go straight forward through here, you have your single vanity, pretty large mirror. And then you have your toilet right here, and also your shower and tub combo. And this was the door that I mentioned before that goes out into this bedroom. And we're going to make our way back through here. Also, you do have a second thermostat that's located up here. This is bedroom number 3. Very spacious bedroom. You have your ceiling fan. And it is carpeted as well. You have 2 windows that look out into the backyard. And this was the room earlier that I mentioned that could be used for a 3rd bedroom. Also a room to where you can entertain guests, because it's actually a fairly large room. All right, and we're going to make our way back through here and look at the master bedroom. You have your double door entrance right here. You have your ceiling fan and light right here. Also, you have your tray ceilings. Pretty good size master bedroom. You do have a remote that operates the light and fan as well. And also, you still have the 2 windows that look out into the backyard as well. This door to the left, you have your walk-in closet, and to the right, you have your bathroom, which you're going to save for last. Here you have your walk-in closet. And we're going to make our way back through here. And we're going to look at the master bathroom. With the doors, you also have a double door entrance as well. As soon as you come in, you have your garden tub to the right. Also, window right here. And then you have your double vanity sink. Pretty large mirror, very good lighting as well. And then you have your stand-up shower and also your toilet right here and linen closet right here. All right, that concludes our video tour of this home. Address is 125 Oak Cove Drive here in Lake Carolina. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home. For more information, you can go to our website, which is turnerproperties.com. If you have any questions, give us a call at the office. Number is 803-407-8522. Bye-bye.